Benny's Road Trip Adventures, a winter road trip story for kids. Benny the bear lives in a cold, snowy place. One morning, he picked up his telephone and called his friends. "Let's go on a winter road trip," he said. Soon, Benny's friends arrived at his house. Maple the fox, Pip the penguin, Mia and Max were excited and ready to join the winter road trip. Everyone helped Benny pack the RV. They loaded blankets, snacks, games, and warm clothes for the long winter road trip. The first stop on their road trip was the gas station. Benny filled up the RV while everyone helped get it ready for the snowy road. The next stop was McDonald's. Everyone was hungry, so they warmed up and enjoyed a tasty winter meal. After eating, they stopped at a winter park. The park was full of children and animals playing in the snow.
Wow.
Benny and his friends joined the fun and enjoyed every moment. The next stop was a snowy viewpoint. They looked out at the mountains, took pictures, and enjoyed the beautiful winter waterfall view. The frozen waterfall sparkled like crystal. Their next stop was a winter gift shop. Everyone found a small souvenir to remember the road trip. They arrived at a winter camp and sat around a warm campfire. They roasted marshmallows and talked about their road trip. When they got cold, they went inside the RV for a cozy night. They played games, shared stories, and sipped warm hot cocoa before falling asleep. Now it is time for Benny's road trip quiz. Let's see how much you remember from today's adventure. What did Benny use to call his friends? A. Telephone. B. Computer. C. Walkie-talkie. The answer is A. Telephone. What color was Benny's RV? A. Blue. B. Red. C. Green. The answer is B. Red. Where did they stop to eat? A. McDonald's. B. A pizza shop. C. An ice cream truck. The answer is A. McDonald's. What did they do at the winter park? A. Ride bicycles. B. Play in the snow. C. Go swimming. The answer is B. Play in the snow. What sparkled like crystal? A. A frozen lake. B. A snowman. C. The frozen waterfall. The answer is C. The frozen waterfall.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and learn with Benny every week.